Two firefighters don't die and another one injured from gunshots after one fire ambush for Idaho, USA. And President Donald Trump don't talk say he no promise Iran anything and he no one follow them talk anything again. That na small for today hot tori. Na Pidgin Tori Global be this, where foreign tori they drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If it dey happen for the world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. Two firefighters don't die and one dey hospital after one man set fire for Canfield Mountain, then ambush dem with gun for Idaho, US, according to police. The suspect, wey act alone, start the fire on Sunday afternoon and begin shoot as firefighters reach the scene. Officers and firefighters even dodge sniper shots as the wahala last for hours. SWAT team later find the suspect dead body near the place of attack, but e never clear if na police bullet kill am or if he kill himself. The fire wey dem go quench still dey burn reach 20 acres by night. Over 300 officers plus helicopters with snipers show face for the scene. Police say the shooter use high-powered sporting rifle. They move and shoot and fit hide guns for bush. Police still dey investigate motive, but dem beg people make dem no near the area or fly drone while fire dey burn. The new trade deal between US and UK don enter action wey go help British car makers sell up to 100,000 motors for America with 10% tariff. Before e bin dey 27%, e go make dem get advantage over foreign competitors. Aerospace exports from UK to US go dey enjoy zero tariff now, but UK agree say dem go remove tariff for US ethanol wey go make British bioethanol industry complain say dem no fit compete. Whereas UK steel and aluminium still dey carry 25% tariff for US market. If dem no settle by 9 July, e fit jump reach 50%. The agreement wey dem sign for G7 summit cut some of the tariffs wey US President Donald Trump bin put wey shake global markets for April. Prime Minister Starmer call am historic deal wey go protect UK key industries and jobs. Business and Trade Secretary Jonathan Reynolds talk say the tariff cuts go save industries hundreds of millions every year. But the steel and aluminium wahala still dey. Trump talk say e no sure say e go extend the 9 July deadline for countries to reach agreement before the higher tariff go land. UK also gree make US beef enter with less wahala. 20% tariff go waka comot and quota go rise to 13,000 tons. Plus 1.4 billion litres of US ethanol fit enter UK without the former 90% tariff. As the UK-US deal dey roll out, other countries dey rush to negotiate their own deals with US. Thailand sef don talk say dem go meet US to reduce the 36% tariff on their goods go like 10%. US President Donald Trump don talk say e no dey talk with Iran and e no dey offer dem anything as the ceasefire with Israel still dey hold after 12 days of fight. Trump still repeat say US don totally obliterate Tehran nuclear facilities. On Friday, e reject the media reports wey talk say him and him people dey discuss how to help Iran get up to $30 billion to build civilian nuclear energy program. Israeli security cabinet no fit agree wetin to do for Gaza after dem meet on Sunday night. Dis na as Donald Trump don beg Israel make dem accept ceasefire to free Israeli captives. Trump still talk for the same message make dem drop the corruption charges wey dey against Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, call am war hero and say the charges na political. Plenty people dey see am as Trump way to support Netanyahu for wetin fit happen next. For now, Netanyahu don get 1 week break from court hearing as e tell the judges for closed session say the week go dey dramatic for Israel politics and security. Security cabinet go still meet again on Monday, and the matter to end the war for Gaza and to get temporary ceasefire go dey for top of the agenda. Israeli military don tok say some Israeli settlers burn and scatter one security site wey dem dey use wash area for Ramallah side inside occupied West Bank. Dem share photo online wey show burnt computer server and equipment plus Hebrew graffiti for wall. Army tok say di damage fit endanger residents. Dem condemn di act, say dem expect security pipo to catch di settlers wey attack soldiers wey dey do dia work to protect civilians. Israel media tok say di incident happen after settlers first riot for one army base nearby. Israeli soldiers don arrest one ex-prisoner, Fahed Sawahili, for Balata refugee camp near Nablus. Na wetin local news agency report. Dem say di soldiers enter plenty houses of Palestinians wey dem recently release for prisoner swap between Hamas and Israel. Fahed Sawahili bin just come out some months ago after e serve 23 years for Israel prison. Nasser Hospital for southern Gaza don confirm say meningitis cases for pikin don climb reach 35. Meningitis na disease wey dey make di cover for brain and spinal cord swell, and e fit come from bacteria, virus, fungi and parasite. Doctors and aid workers dey fear say epidemic fit break out because di health system don collapse well. UN still tok say dem dey see more cases of malnutrition, chickenpox, jaundice and respiratory infection. Whereas Israel still dey strong for di blockade, dem no allow enough medicine and medical supplies enter Gaza. Norway biggest pension fund, KLP, don tok say dem no go do business again with two companies wey dey sell equipment to Israeli military because dem suspect say dem dey use di tins for Gaza war. Di two companies na Oshkosh Corporation for US wey dey make trucks and military vehicles, and ThyssenKrupp for Germany wey dey produce plenty tins like elevators, machinery and even warships. KLP tok say dem see UN report for June 2024 wey name companies wey dey supply weapons to Israeli army. Dem say dis move dey against dia responsible investment rules, so dem remove Oshkosh and ThyssenKrupp from dia investment plan. KLP bin get about $1.8 million for Oshkosh and almost $1 million for ThyssenKrupp till June 2025. The fund wey start since 1949 dey manage about $114 billion and e cover around 900,000 people. Most of them na municipal workers. China don gree make dem begin import seafood again from most parts of Japan after 2 years ban wey dem put because of wahala for Fukushima nuclear plant wastewater. Beijing tok say di import go resume conditionally, but e no go reach 10 prefectures plus Tokyo and Fukushima. Dem say long-term tests for di nuclear contaminated water no show any wahala. Di Fukushima plant dey northeast Japan and e suffer serious damage for 2011 tsunami wey cause meltdown for 3 reactors. Japan begin release treated wastewater go ocean for 2023 with International Atomic Energy Agency backing. The process fit last 30 years. Even though experts tok say e safe, some scientists dey fear say research no reach to know the full impact for ocean. China bin vex when Japan start the release and sharply ban seafood from the whole country. Before the ban, China na Japan biggest seafood buyer. Dem dey buy almost quarter of their exports. Now, Japan say the partial lift na positive move and dem go still dey beg China make dem accept seafood from all regions. Companies wey stop before go need reapply and face China supervision. And the last one for today, the jury for big murder case wey dem dey do for Australia don waka go decide whether Erin Peterson na killer or not. Erin, wey be 50 years old, dey deny say she poison her family with deadly mushroom inside beef Wellington wey she cook for her house for Victoria, July 2023. The matter na big one because her in-laws Dawn and Gail Peterson, both 70 years, plus Gail's sister Heather Wilkinson, 66, all die after dem chop the food. Heather husband and Wilkinson nearly die, but dem put am for coma before e recover. On Monday, Justice Christopher Bailey don give the final instruction to the 14 jury members. After 2 months and 50 witnesses, dem pick final 12 jurors before dem start to deliberate. Prosecutor Nanette Rogers tok say Erin don lie tire, say she even fake cancer story to make the family come shop, poison dem, then pre ten d say she sef sick. Rogers still tok say Erin dump the food hydrator wey she use cook the mushroom to cover her tracks, and all the plenty lie na because she sabi say she go enter wahala. But her defence pipo tok say na mistake she do put the poisonous mushroom, and she lie because she fear when her pipo begin sick. The defence pipo say the woman no get reason to kill her pipo and na ordinary mistake. Erin tok for court say she love her in-laws and she think say the mushroom na normal one from store plus some foraged ones wey mix together. Na now the jury go decide if na true she dey tok or if she sabi wetin she dey do. And the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.